But we had a wonderful discussion recently, and she said, so Gary, I'm so happy about the progress of my practice, but I have to be honest with you. There are times, and she said, maybe it's my personality, maybe it was my upbringing, maybe it's I don't know what it is, but occasionally I will find myself on the dark side. She said, I don't mean depression, but I find myself kind of thinking, can I keep doing this? I kind of, you've introduced me, Gary, to the term scarcity. And I find myself unintentionally slipping into scarcity. Can you help me when that's happening? Can you help me, um, uh, you know, kind of break out of that and switch back over to the abundant side? And I said, yeah, I have a homework assignment for you. I know that she enjoys listening. She's got a longer commute and she enjoys listening. So I said, listen to the book Abundance by Peter Diamandis. She had never heard of him. And I shared who he was. Okay. She literally downloaded it during our conversation to her Audible. And she started sending me messages saying, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I now have a go-to when I find myself kind of slipping into a scarcity thinking. So there you go. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to us saying I subscribed. Most importantly, be sure to click the bell button, which means you'll be subscribed so you won't miss out on any future videos.